Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and today I want to show you guys a flip through of my new and improved, and I'm calling it my rainbow junk mail journal. And it's made out of junk mail, and I do have another video on this where I did a time lapse on it, and it shows you guys how I did it. But this one I did a little extra, fun little add-ons to it, and I just wanted to flip through and show you guys some of it. And if you guys could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and that would really help me out. Okay, well, let's grow together. That would be great. So what I did is I have a cute little tag that I put in here. And I went ahead and did the paper towel over the top. And these are just cute little paper towels that I have, like a roll of really fun flowers and butterflies. And I show in my video, so I'll post it below, like I said. And you guys can see how I put all this together. So it's the same concept as I did on the actual junk mail, the journal part. So this is the front of it. And then I just did scrapbook on the back. And then I got some cotton rope that I put on the top of it. And did little stamping on the back. So you have something fun to look at. But it just slides right in and comes out. And these will be in my Etsy shop. These are the official ones that I will have in my Etsy shop. So I went through today and perfected everything the way I wanted it. And I will get these in real soon. So, and I just did a little cluster and did some rope around, glued a little cluster there, and put a little pin with some lace and tie-dyed rainbow cotton material and some lace and rope, cotton rope. So it's just got a little dangler. And for this cute little knob that this goes around, it is a cork. And I came up with this idea yesterday. I've never seen it done before. I just kind of was like, what could I put there? I was going to put a button there, but then I was like, no, you know, I have this whole box of corks that I got from Goodwill, which I have that video of my Goodwill finds, and I'll put that below so you guys can see it. I found a bunch of stuff. And I was like, you know what? I'm not passing these up. It was like $3 for the whole thing. I mean, how could you pass it up? And I knew I was going to do something with it, and I figured out I was going to do this. And all I did is I like the ends are smooth on each side. See, like, after you cut it, it kind of gets a little rough. I don't know if you can see that. It gets a little rough. But these smooth parts are pretty fun, and that's what I used for the little thing, the little knob here. And all I did was just take a serrated knife and just cut. I just got as close as I could because I wanted to make them kind of thin so I can put this brad through it. The brads aren't that, they're just the little brads. And I wanted to make sure I can get it through there. So I just kind of just sliced, and I just took the cork and spun it around and just sliced as close as I could. Just all the way around. And then I took, see, and then I came up with this. Just like that. And I also took this, just to show you guys, because I didn't show this in the other video because I didn't have this idea yet, but I took the sandy block and then I just kind of went like this and smoothed out the other side just to smooth it out so there's no chunks or nothing. And you can do the sides or however you want to do it. And then I just took my little poker thing and I poked a hole just right through the middle, just wherever you want the brad to go through. So you just poke right through, and it's pretty soft. You can get through it. And then you just take your and I just got these at Walmart like yesterday for like $2.50, and you get a bunch of them. So I was like, hey, I can use those too. And then you just take it and poke it through the hole, just like that. And you got yourself a little little knobby thing. I don't even know what to call it. Just a little thing that you can put on the front. So I thought that was kind of fun. Just something different. And let's get to it. I just want to show you guys how cool this is. I had so much fun making it. But what I have is the elastic, just an elastic band that goes around. And I actually have them right here. And I got fun little, I've had these. I don't even know where I got it. I must have got it from one of the kids. I have it, my kids left it here or something. But it's really cool, and I really am loving it. It's got stretchies, and they're all different rainbow colors. So each one's going to have different colors on them, each booklet. So they're not all going to be pink or, you know, I'll just do different colors. And I'm not sure where you get them, but I'm sure you can get them at Walmart or any place like that. And that's the name of them. And they're really fun. So you get 5 different kind of cords, colors. Okay. Oh, wow. There we go. So the thing is you can either go up like this with it. Just like that. And you can close it. Or when you start putting embellishments in it and stuff, you can just wrap it this way. And then you can really fill it up because it gives you a little bit more room. So I made sure you had a little extra room so this can stretch. And that's another way to do it. So there's that. And you got your little thing. Okay, so this is the front of it. And then I just did scrapbook paper that I glued on the other side of it. So you got that. And this is pretty much just a naked journal that you can add your own pockets and your own stuff. I do kind of have some pockets I'll show you, but you can add your own everything to it to make it yours, you know. So I did a little rainbow thread sewing throughout just to make it fun. And I kept these kind of long because I thought it was kind of cute with them hanging out the side. But you can cut them if you want. And this is just some more stenciling. And I use Rit dye because I have a bunch of it because I do tie-dye things for my Etsy shop too. And I did just like a wine color or black and just different greens and stuff. And that's why I'm calling it my my rainbow little journal. And then I'm doing all the rainbow thread that I have. So I'm sewing and making fun little things to look at. So it's kind of neat. And then this is a paper bag that I put in here and I sewed in the middle. So this is like one of the pockets I was talking about. So it gives you little pockets. You can slide stuff in here. And then you can even, you know, glue it here and do a slice up here and have a pocket here, or just add little things that you want to it. However you want to do it. So it's just fun little things I've added. And then this is cardstock. So you can write here. And then I did some more of my tie-dyed material that I put with some paper and sewed it on there. Just a little fun little thing. And each book will be a little bit different, but still have some of the, you know, they'll have the pockets and some of the papers, and I'll do this. So they're going to be kind of similar, but a little different. And each envelope will probably be different size. It depends on the junk mail, like where the window will be. You know, sometimes they're a little closer, sometimes they're a little bigger. So I try to make them kind of the same, and some of the measurements, it might be a little thinner, but they all will be one of a kind for sure. And they will look gorgeous. So doing a little sewing here. And then this is another pocket. You can put stuff here. Just a little tuck. And then I sewed these two middle pages together. So you got a little lines and stuff to do here. And then this is just a collage that I've done, and then I copied it. So you got just some fun things to look at. I did some stamping and fun little collage thingies, and then I copied a bunch of them. So those are kind of fun. And then this is just pretty much mirroring on the other side. So you got your little your tuck here. And then just some more fun things. More dyed paper. And cardstock and stenciling. And then you got 2 more little pockets here. There. And there. And more sewing. Yeah. So it's just fun. A little sewing and stenciling on that one, and then that's the end of it. So it's just a fun little, and then there's the back. So you just got all the flowers, and then the book pages and some writing and stuff, and just some stamps and just some fun little things. So hopefully you guys come check them out in my Etsy shop, and I would really appreciate hearing from you guys and see how you guys like it, and see how you like my new and improved version of it all. But thank you for following along, and please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I pop it on. Like, comment, and share, and thank you guys so much for following along, and keep on crafting, and let's grow together. Have a great day.